The Spring Ideas for the Home Tour brings the beauty of the season into our Lyndale Avenue store. Take a self-guided tour through spring-inspired home decor vignettes, outdoor rooms, and front porches that promise creative ideas for the season ahead. During your tour, you can visit our shoppable shelves, so if you see something you like, you can take it home with you. You'll receive a printed guide complete with suggestions and design tips, as well as a $5 off $25 coupon for your next regular priced Bachman's purchase. But that's not all. 20% of ticket proceeds will benefit the Minneapolis Institute of Art's Friends of the Institute, a volunteer organization that supports artwork acquisition and conservation, education, museum upkeep, renovation, and expansion. So come out and support a great cause while getting ready for the season ahead.